50th Delaware General Assembly. The 50th Delaware General Assembly 1826-1827 was a meeting of the legislative branch of the state government, consisting of the Delaware Senate and the Delaware House of Representatives. Elections were held the first Tuesday of October and terms began on the first Tuesday in January. It met in Dover, Delaware, convening January 3, 1826, 2 weeks before the beginning of the third year of the administration of Governor Samuel Paynter. The apportionment of seats was permanently assigned to 3 senators and 7 representatives for each of the 3 counties. Population of the county did not affect the number of delegates. Both chambers had a Federalist majority. Leadership. Senate. Charles Polk, Jr., Kent County. House of Representatives. Arnold S. Naudane, Sussex County. Members. Senate. Senators were elected by the public for a 3-year term, 1/3 posted each year. House of Representatives. Representatives were elected by the public for a 1-year term. Places with more information. Delaware Historical Society, website 505 North Market Street, Wilmington, Delaware 19,801, 302 655 7161. University of Delaware, library website 181 South College Avenue, Newark, Delaware 19,717, 302 831 2965,